Mind your business. Stay out of my business. That's not even what we're watching in the video. Second off, my ears was not purple, so shut your butt up and mind your own business. If you got something rude to say, take that somewhere else. Gracie, Arm Street. Wait a minute. Is that Brooke Nation? If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And make sure you turn your post notification bell on. Ring a dang dang. You feel me? And as you can already see with the title, what this video is about. If you already follow me, y'all already know. A lot of y'all been asking me, Brooke, I need a review again. I need to know what's going on with this Curology. You still using it? How it's working? How it's been? All that's about to be right in this video. Make sure y'all continue watching. Go ahead and share this video because this is to be very informational and I'm about to put y'all all on game with this Curology. You dig? You feel me? So let's go ahead and get into this banging video. And I also will be checking my previous video about this Curology. And a lot of people hit me up about, you know, questions about it and saying I'm not using it right on my face, this, that, and the third, and asking all these different questions. Y'all been hitting my DMs. I need to know what's been going on with that Curology. Is it working? And, you know, this is my first time ever going through the comments. This is real life right here. So sit back and relax. I'm going to answer all y'all questions y'all been asking me. So here we go. Your skin is already flawless. Also, your earrings are gorgeous. Thank you, Zanaya. What is the morning routine? I hate it. It doesn't come with instructions on how I'm supposed to use it. Okay, so with that, I have a package right here. So with the morning routine, I believe it's the same thing, and they do come with kind of instructions about it because the instructions are not like really exactly telling you exactly what you need to do. The instructions about it is saying apply medication once daily before bed, wash your face and allow skin to dry, apply a thin layer to your face and neck if you wish, dab evenly and rub it on. But I mean, these are all the directions they told me. This all, you know what I'm saying? This all I use. I use these 3 products right here. So that's all I can say. I think you can use the cleaner morning and night. It's saying like, you know, you should wash your face morning and night. That's what it's saying. I did use this product today. I just be feeling very fresh. My face feels very smooth. And yeah, I'm going to get to how I feel about the product overall. But I'm going to continue going on and reading y'all comments. You're lucky you never dealt with acne. Kenny Theo, somebody answered, Hannah Waters. Everyone has their own insecurities. Chill out. She can even want it clearer than that if she wants to. It's not for you to judge. Kenny Theo. Hannah Waters wasn't judging her. All I said was she lucky she never dealt with acne. So yeah, with my products, when I went on the website, I don't have problems with acne, pimples. Pray to God, I'm so thankful for that I don't have to deal with that. The only time I get like maybe a little bump is when my cycle is about to begin, my menstrual cycle is about to start, and I might get a little bump maybe, but not all the time. Please reread the instructions. Keep it away from your eyes. First off, little queen, I never put the product in my eye. If I put it in my eye will be burning and I'll be rushed to the hospital and I have to get water splashed in my eyes and all that extra stuff. I'm straight. You don't got to worry about all that, okay? Lizzie, I just got Curology, period. I'm gonna like the comment. I see 10 people that already liked it. Somebody else commented, did it work? I think Curology really works. If you answer the quiz, the test part correctly and honestly about things that's going on with your skin, yes, it works. I do want to say when I started using it like every day, not even, I didn't even tell nobody I was using Curology. People was coming up to me telling me personally that my face was very clear, very clean, looked brighter, looked smoother. Overall, just looked clean. And I was like, okay, so people are really noticing that my face, I'm doing something different to my face. My coworkers asking me, what are you doing? What are you using? I said Curology. And I kept using it, and I can say my face started, I don't want to say I was overdoing it, but I was like, okay, maybe I need to take a step back because I'm using it every day. And then I started using it every other day, the products, because my face started like peeling. I want to say it was like dry skin. So I like try to put like Vaseline on my face to keep it from being dry. But that's the only problem I had. Asked, where did you get those earrings? They're beautiful. Thank you, OJBK. I really don't remember where I got those earrings from. I don't. First of all, I don't know if I'm tripping, but you're supposed to use water with the cleaner. Jojo Vega. I thought I did use which was the cleaner? I thought I did use the water before I did it. I don't know. Maybe I gotta watch my video. Maybe I did do and I just didn't add it in the clips in the video. I don't know. I don't know, JoJo. Let me see what y'all reply with. That's what I'm saying. You rinse your face with water, then apply the cleaner, then rinse the water. That's how all the cleaners work. Okay, RYS dot. Okay, I already knew that. I thought I sworn I did do that, but maybe I think I did, but I just didn't put the clip in there, maybe. Because I know how cleaners work, you know what I'm saying? Somebody else said, yes, I was tripping off that too. You're supposed to use the water. I advise you to wash your face with water first and then apply the cleaner while your face is still wet. Maybe I did, but my face wasn't wet. That's probably what y'all talking about. Is no one concerned about her ear? It's literally purple. First off, Gracie Armstreet, mind your damn business. Stay out of my business. That's not even what we watching in the video. Second off, my ears was not purple, so shut your butt up and mind your own business. If you got something rude to say, take that somewhere else. Gracie Armstreet. Next. And the people that replied under there talking about something, I know it does look infected. It's the earring. Go mind your damn business and go find some more business, because that's none of your business. You don't know what's going on with me. You didn't know if I had some type of skin disease or something was going on with my skin. So mind your business. Next. Wait, I have questions. Can somebody tell me how do I use Curology? And I only got mine 2 weeks and I haven't used it. Girl, all I can say is listen to the directions of what it say and you should be good. You know what I'm saying? First, you do what? You wash your face. Make sure your face still wet. Use the cleaner. Wash the cleaner off. You're going to add your personal... Ooh. Ooh. You're going to use your personal cleaner, and then after all, you're going to top it off with the moisturizer that you can use morning and night. Jesus, you don't need that much. You just need a pea size. Mind your business, Will Mason. My face might be bigger than yours. I can use however much I want to use. Last time I checked, not how to blend in moisturizer. I'm not trying to blend nothing in. Katrina Gonzalez. Next, can you say what's in your formula? Okay, so I did make this formula a long time ago. I'm not gonna even lie. All I know that I asked for mine was that I didn't say I had acne. I didn't have any problems with that. I just told him I wanted a clearer face. I don't really have oily skin. I put moderate, like medium. I don't have very oily skin, but you know what I'm saying. So yeah. So we're not supposed to wet our face before the white one? Girl, I don't know what you're saying. Somebody said you're supposed to damp your face before the cleaner. But, you know, we're all doing a process of elimination. You know, that was my first time trying Curology, just like it was your first time watching it. So, you know, it was just a first time for all of us. You know, we're all learning how to use this product together. And I'm just giving y'all feedback on what I experienced using it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to lead you wrong because I didn't put it on my face. I'm still here. ZRG Modsy, I have a question. What if you buy the free trial subscription, but the stuff in it, then you know the box comes, can you cancel the subscription? You can always cancel a subscription, but once it's already shipped, that's shipped, it's already been purchased by your money. After that, it's on its way. Once it's shipped, it's shipped. Trinity Whiteman said, is it supposed to burn? I want to say it did feel like it was tingling and it was burning. That's when I was like, am I using this wrong? And I think I want to say that's when it was around the time my face started peeling, like around like here. Yes, right here. It would be like kind of like a sensation like it was burning. But I was like, maybe it's working. I don't know. Does it help blackheads and pores? Well, I was not going for that. I wasn't using my products to clean blackheads and pores. So I want to say it is good with that. It's cleaning your pores. Because I can say my face do feel smoother. My face did look clearer and brighter. And that's exactly what I was going for. So, yeah, I want to say it do. Dropped Elf. Interesting username. Do you rinse off just a cleanser? Do you rinse off just the cleanser? Yeah, I think so. Let me see what y'all reply with. Yes, you're supposed to never use rags to wash your face because rags carry bacteria and it's harsh on the skin. So just use your hands or a general spin brush and rinse the cleaner off. Make sure to also wash your hands before touching your face. You'll surprise how much dirt is on your hands throughout the day. I like that. Akira and Tamira. I think they're like a little couple. It looks like it. That's some good information right there. Whining Woo, did you send your own selfie and the ID when you're ordering the first time? I sure did. And did. When you're applying the formula on your face, do you put the moisturizer over the treatment? Y'all replied in here. Y'all said yes. So it sounds like to me we're all helping each other in the comments and giving feedback about what they're doing and how they're using it. Does it work? I want to say yes, it works. And Brooke, what are you doing to your face? That's when you know your face must be looking real good. Somebody got to come to you and say your face looking good. You doing something then. So I advise you to go ahead and try it. If you don't like it, cancel your subscription. They're not going to send no more to you. Overall, I think Curology is a great way to experience like how to deal with skin problems instead of going to a dermatologist real quick or something like that. When this is online and you can go on there and tell them what you have a problem with and they can give you a solution and then send it to you. So shout out to y'all. Thank y'all for commenting and being very active with me. Besides it being positive or negative, any feedback is good. Make sure y'all leave me a feedback. In this video, I do sell designer bonnets, I sell headbands, I sell designer hats. So, you know what I'm saying, if you want to see any of those items, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. And in my bio, I do have a business page, so y'all can check that out, okay? And I am dropping my personal own growth oil for your hair. I'm big on hair. A lot of people have always asked me, why is your hair so long? Why is it so healthy? Why is this and that? So I'm going to help all my ladies out with that. Once it's dropped and I launch it, I will definitely be doing a review on my own personal growth oil. If y'all want to purchase that, make sure y'all what? Follow me on my social media. And that's on period. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button like I keep telling y'all. You dig what I'm saying? And your girl Brooke Nation, we out.